At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, according to the Gleaner, more than 100 residents of communities in Old Harbour, St. Catherine, have received support under the government's Rebuild Jamaica initiative for persons who were impacted by Hurricane Beryl in July. 69 persons in the Old Harbour Road area and 33 residents from Old Harbour received checks worth $50,000, $150,000 and $400,000 based on the severity of damage done to their homes during the passage of the storm. My wisdom warriors, Beryl coming in July and now we in a February. Talk truth. Talk the truth what God love. If this and some political gain, wanna talk to me Jamaica, seriously. And the likes of they never have the money, Remember good, And the likes of they never have the money. From Beryl come in a July, them get money within the same week. And then the next week and the other week. Yeah, just say within 3 weeks. Yeah, or within a month. Them get money. Why take them so long to give the residents these money? Talk the truth. Talk the truth, my people. Why it take Pernell Charles so long to give them money? Remember, so their house mash up, Remember, so their house need fixing, Remember, so enough of them rain and wet them up at night time, If this is not for political points, what else is this? So, when I tell me that these people care about Jamaican people, Beryl come in a July. Remember, in a July last year. Then you have August, September, October, November, December, January, February. It take them 7 months to give them money when them have the money from 2 weeks after Beryl happen. Come on, Jamaica. This is a political point. This is political gain. This is not right, what them are doing, Because the people, they need the things them urgently at that time. And them have to wait 7 months. Them have to wait 7 months. People not even have bed for sleep on. They host up a leak. Water wet them up. And it take them 7 months. And guess what? Them are going to continue to do this until election time. Which for me, I don't even think them are going to call any election. Seriously. Because me hear Andrew Wallace did that over there, and him say election not upon his mind. He like to talk them way. You see, if Andrew Wallace feel like the constituency not going in his favor, he not gonna call election. He not gonna call it Jamaica. Mighty God of Daniel, this man, him not gonna call it. But as I said, this what Pernell Charles do, it is totally wrong because the people them need the help from the time Beryl come. From the time Beryl come, the people they need the help. And them same one come out and say they help the people them. Them same one come out and say everybody get help. So how comes now we not give money? How comes now we not give money? So we no hold on the money and say we not go issue it out, yeah, and use Beryl for political points. Sometimes I can't take on seriously. Sometimes, and just because you know some of the people, them so fool because once you give them one little thing, worse if a 50,000 or 150,000, we not say yes, you vote secure. You for stop the nonsense, man. And I want Jamaican people, I want to know value on yourself. I want to know have morals. May I beg you know? Please, may I beg you know? Look into things. Because these people house mash up. These people house, mash up. Depends on the severity of what happened to them house. And you tell me, say, it take on 7 months. This has to be a political gain. It just has to. Some people not gonna like when me talk, but a facts me talk, and you know that. You know say a facts. And as I said before, it not gonna stop here, so it go straight up till September. Them a go give out money, under style. And that them a do. They know what them are doing and use burial. Mighty God of Daniel. Jamaica Labour Party, I don't know why we allow them to go back in power. I don't know why. Here Desmond Mackenzie, him saying I surrender Jamaica. So no know so right now, the whole away in a captivity. Cause if you are gonna use a word like surrender, you know what surrender mean? Huh? You don't know what surrender mean? If you're going to use a word like surrender, that means that even if Mark Golden win, you still not go surrender Jamaica. Kupa uno to, aho uno, eh? Aho uno. No wonder why uno see so much scamming broke out. Because if we have a leader we are scam, number one tapanari scammer in a Jamaica, thief all charity money. Right? We won't expect the little man them to do. And uno policeman, uno always go out and lock up his scammer boy them. But nobody now look on Snoopy. Nobody now look on the Prime Minister. Uno know say una hypocrite too. Uno police officer we are go out and lock up his scammer boy them. No for una hypocrite. Because Andrew unless I one of the scammer, tapanari scammer, and uno now lock him up. Una hypocrite man. Uno feel loud the youth them. Listen, if you have a Prime Minister we scam, and then uno go turn on and take set pan the look of youth them. Pan the look of youth them. Might as well uno leave them alone. Might as well call una hypocrite. Seriously, una hypocrite. It's just the truth. Enough people not gonna like when me talk, but as I said, I don't care. Cause when me talk, me not talk with water in my mouth. Me talk the truth. The Prime Minister scam all down to charity money for the Jamaican people. And me no see uno more car running. Me no see more car running. What is really happening? More car not running. More car want running pan KSAMC. I talk about mayor. Yeah, which Mocha not really say anything coming up. So no report. It's just the Jamaica Labour Party talking nonsense. But Delroy Williams under FEMA watch, when he was the mayor, 33 million gone missing. 88 million gone missing. And me not see Mocha do anything. Me not see Mocha do anything. Boy, my people, it bad, It bad. That's why I said the police, them, enough of them are hypocrite. Because them are lock up his scammer youth, them and them are left Andrew wellness. This is all about favoritism now. We don't stop it, we don't go lock up Andrew. We don't know where Andrew are, do enough of uno. Listen, police officers, listen to me. We don't need to come together and lock up a top criminal in Jamaica. You hear me? We don't need to come together. Just left out that there one day, because that one day, Andrew run for him head. Him a puppet. Kevin Blake up Andrew puppet. Andrew Popisha. You hear me? Andrew Popisha. You all need to come together because you know say Andrew Wallace do not care about the Jamaican people. So you need to depend on the Jamaican people side. 95% of you grow up in the slum. In the garrison. Let me use garrison. Sorry. But 95% of uno grew up in the garrison. You understand? Uno know what it's like. So when me see uno not take side with the citizen, me vex with uno. That's why me I giving us some advice right now. Somebody need to take charge. Yeah, man. Uno need to take charge, man. And stand with the people of Jamaica. And lock up Andrew Holness. Because uno know what Andrew Holness do is wrong. And uno know say, he just have this ready-made commissioner I do and a chat pure foolishness. My wisdom warriors, take a look at this.
Either meet a judge or meet your maker. Our prisons and police lockups are fully populated. I do not train my police to lose. We have the superior training and firepower to ensure that we win every time.
Wherever they go, we'll find them and we'll bring them in, one way or the other. Whether we bring them in the pickup that come behind us in the car, I don't want to come on a stretcher, it's their business. I don't promise that, right? But we'll find them and bring them in.
Either meet a judge.
I want to listen, in the Republic of Jamaica, Andrew want to be the judge, the jury, and the executioner. Can you imagine this bridging function in our Republic of Jamaica? It come like them a labor writer really, or some of them a walk them a sleepwalk. Just imagine Andrew honest with this type of mindset around a Republic of Jamaica. is either meet a judge or meet them maker. But the police commissioner say the prison them full up. So there's no prison for put them, so better kill them. That him saying, now let's see it again.
Either meet a judge or meet your maker. Our prisons and police lockups are fully populated. I do not train my police to lose. We have the superior training and firepower to ensure that we win every time.
Wherever they go, we'll find them and we'll bring them in, one way or the other. Whether we bring them in the pickup that come behind us in the car, I don't want to come on a stretcher, it's their business. I don't promise that.
So my wisdom warriors, Unnuh here with Police Commissioner Kevin Blake, and Unnuh here Horace Chang, and Unnuh here Andrew Holness. Kevin Blake, let me start off with him. Andrew Holness ready make Police Commissioner. This man say the prison overpopulated. That means that the prison full up and the police station them full up. And that him I tell you him I say full up. And then him go on, he move on. And what did he say? He say not training police them for lose. In other words, him I tell them say the place full enough, so we have to kill out them blouse and skirt. And that him I say, because how you just come out and say the place full. Then if the place full, you don't have nowhere else to put them then. Yeah, and that you not say. So might as well not kill them. I mean, I like the words them where Horace Changa use. You understand? Horace Changa say, I don't feel in business, care and all these things. I can't talk like that, make a police officer here. That's why the police officer, them are bad up people and deal with people anyhow. You understand me? And it is wrong. It is wrong. You cannot do things like that. Horace Chang, you cannot do things like that. Andrew Holness, you are a false person. You say you're Jamaican. And you attack these things out of your mouth. Horace Chang attack these things out of your mouth. Kevin Blake attack these things out of your mouth. You really and truly do not care about the people of Jamaica. I mean, here I say something other day, Andrew Holness. You say, the youths them, they not have money for buy a gun. So where they get it from? Remember, say, you come out and say that, You know, Andrew Holness, you should do things to help the youths them. You know? I remember back in the day, there used to be a lot of clubs and them something there. Youth clubs, what's your name? Bob's Grange get too much millions of dollars from Canada for help the youths them in the community. Build up community centers, Bring back all of those vibing time we used to go on and so. No, do nothing for the youths them. A whole heap of the youths them, Them no want to killing, And them no want to robbery either. But enough of them get forced into doing these things, You did know that? Enough of them forced into these things. You understand? That's why I say, when I say Andrew Holness build up prison and all these things, I say, why you not build up some trade center, where they can go and learn some skills and these things? Why not do that? But I want to remember, Jamaica, when England did offer the how much $1 billion for them build up prison, remember, say PNP refuse it, Remember good, PNP refuse it. But when Andrew Holness win, 2016, Andrew Holness take the money behind we back and tell we, and long after and tell we, he take the money. You understand? So all these prison where you see them a build up is a private public partnership prison. So they can't have the prison there and it empty. So even if nobody now do nothing wrong, all innocent people are going to end up in prison because prison of a money, it's a money making thing. I want to know Jamaican people understand. But no found no feel to understand. Jano, it break my heart more while, brother. It break my heart to see how the people them a behave and get up and them a defend Andrew Holness and them can't see. It look like a veil over them eye or something. They can't see what Andrew Holness are doing wrong. I don't really know what is going on. I really don't know. I'm not talking one them we're high in a society and them come out and them attack. Them know exactly what is going on, but them just a lie. You have that particular radio station there, them lie for Andrew Holness right through. Lie, pure lie they tell on PNP. And what hurt me the most, Jamaica, is how they misleading the people of Jamaica. And that really hurt me the most. Like when me sit and see how them change the narrative and shift up things and create problem. And they on radio station and people actually listening. It break my heart because a lot of people don't know what is going on. So when them in a taxi or anywhere them there or a walk or a shop go by sitting and them here nationwide come over, then you understand the radio, them are gonna just believe. Boy, it's sad. It look like Mark Golding have to go get one radio station. Mark Golding, it look like I have to go get a radio station to blow some skirt. Seriously. No, on a serious note, you have to go get one radio station, your own personal radio station. Hey, Jamaica Labour Party terrible, you know? Them terrible. My wisdom warriors, hear this.
You just say, you just speak out to the camera. You just say,
I think I pass, you want to pass now.
Pass, me think you want
You can't pass on the street, so I say...
You just say, pull over the vehicle, I'm here. You can't just...
No man, I put on, man.
Chuck a drive. You just turn on the flasher.
Big man. You want to feed that, man. I no ear in general.
Just go around the vehicle, so you drive normal for the road. I said, what the purpose for stopping me?
Why haven't I chuck? I smell ganja.
Anybody no burn weed? The man smoke.
I mean, I burn weed, you know.
Man a burn weed. Man say him smell ganja. All the driver that smell ganja, I'm gonna smoke.
What am I smoke?
Smoke weed not light. See my weed, it never light. So see the people, it never light.
Yeah, I'm not busy with that. Come pull the truck. Come out.
No problem to pull the truck, chief. You can't pull me over.
I don't say pull over people. The right thing I do is like say pull over the vehicle. Aha.
You see how the police then deal with people? They have anger issues. This is why a lot of innocent youths dying. Them angry. Police them angry. They angry so they just kill. I remember so them boss tell them say shoot to kill. He tell them for shoot to kill and ask question after and then he come out and say no business with nothing. Boy, my people, me did just want to see that the part there because I just don't like the way how them do things. You understand me? Jaja.
I'm Danishka Williams, MP candidate for Southwest St. Anne, and we are here today in Douglas Castle. I have spokesperson on energy, Philip Caldwell, here with me today, and we are looking at what we can call a new cave in the constituency. And I'd love to know what is the plans that are in store to fix it. I was told that someone fell in it just last week, and since then they've put up the tiles, they've dropped some material, and I want to know a timeline so that the residents can feel comfortable and confident to know that their representatives are doing the work that needs to be done. Apparently it has started to cave away from 2017. We are now in 2025, and I don't know if they're trying to turn it into a new attraction in the constituency, but it is atrocious, it's deplorable. And I'm calling on the representatives to do the right thing and fix it, because it's not safe for our residents.
My wisdom warriors, a road that you know, that is a road. You know see? A baby cave. A road that you know, box cover, Jano. And when we talk about it, everybody get vexed. Everybody get vexed and say, 18 years. Why you know different? You know say Andrew Wellness Chinese workers them a fix the road, and the road they not fix good. A pure cheap material them a use on the road. As rain falls, so you can see underneath leak out, and then it come like a paper there on the top. But no man, me don't understand. What kind of road them there? What kind of material them a use and I build up the road them? What kind of material them a use and I build up the road them? That more than like for know. No man, and then next thing when I want to touch upon again, you see. Uno no run no pipeline. Uno promise so uno go run pipeline. So how uno do Sparks program? Uno build up road. You say uno labor right? Uno think so uno take people for idiot. Uno build up road and uno no run the pipeline. That makes sense. Jamaica, me I tell you no. Hey, uno stay there make Jamaica Labour Party a trick on about Sparks program. You hear me? A foolishness them a do. Pure foolishness. Because the pipeline no run yet. So how we not build up, make it make sense. My wisdom warriors, as I can see, that are down a Fletcher's land. Major fire in downtown Kingston. Whole heap of people right now need somewhere to go. Whole heap of people. They need a place to stay. Them say, well, according to Observer, them say how the fire started is still unclear. But a video obtained by them showed firefighters on the scene hosing down the buildings while residents look on. This is a massive one. But thank goodness, KSAMC, our Mayor Andrew Swaby, when the dirty king Labour right them a talk about how him for resign for what I do not know, because from this man going last year, a pure goody mado. Pure goody mado, and I eat a bunny nasty poke them. I eat burn them, because Delroy Williams, Jamaica Labour Party mayor, was in there for how much years and him not done nothing to help the people them in a Kingston. He not done nothing, my wisdom warriors. And look at all the things Mayor Swaby did in the space of a short time. Like literally. At that bond them, you know. At that bond them. Take a look at this. You know, the mayor of Kingston and St. Andrew, he is on the scene, and he stated that he is deeply saddened by the devastating fire on Fleet Street and Land Lane that has left more than 50 residents homeless. I visited the affected communities and witnessed firsthand the immense loss suffered by families who have lost everything, including school supplies for their children. The KSAMC remains committed to providing support where we can during this difficult time. Our thoughts are with the residents as they begin to rebuild. My wisdom warriors, this stuff, you know, this stuff, the people them lose every single thing they lose. You understand? So them are gonna need help. So let's see what is going to happen. Just let's see. May God give them strength at this time. Anyway, my people, wanna tell me what you think, wanna tell me how you feel about this. Put on honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My people, do me a favor. I want to go over to my backup channel. It is called the PNP News Round. Subscribe and get me to 5K. Tell a friend about Attack for the Press. Blessings upon blessings. One love.